Alright guys, welcome back to another one here on the channel. It's going to be quite an easy one today. I'm installing a Maxton rear spoiler lip flick thing. It's in this box, obviously. The car is over there. I'm going to pull it back a bit. It should be quite an easy install. Obviously nothing is ever straightforward with me, but let's crack on and hopefully it makes the ST look a bit nicer, because as of now it looks alright, but it needs something. I've also bought, controversial, a spoiler riser, so let's go over, I'll show you it. Basically it pulls the spoiler out a bit, so it comes out here, pulls it out, and then the whole thing kind of sits out. And then I've also got the flick, which we're installing today, so altogether it'll kind of sit out more and it'll come up more. I think it might look all right, I don't know, but the back does need something. I'm also going to get spacers as well, because it definitely needs to sort out the fitment, but today is just the Maxton flick. Let's pull the car here, just to make my life a bit easier, and let's crack on. Hopefully you enjoy, like and subscribe. So here it is. Obviously I have gone for, I believe it's the V3. If it isn't the V3, I'll put it up on screen now, but it's basically like the most aggressive flick one, so it does come off quite nice, I think. Let's go jot it up to the car. So it's going to sit something like that, which I'm not sure. I'm hoping once it's got like the riser on it, it'll look a bit better. It looks good, don't get me wrong, but with the flick on its own, it does look a bit weird. So don't start like hating me in the comments. It is nice, but it can definitely do with the risers as well. But obviously, as I said, they are in the post, so I believe now it's just a case of cleaning it. I think it comes with wipes. So you clean it, take off the sticky strip, and you stick it down. Doesn't seem like the end of the world, unless I'm forgetting something. I definitely think the V3 is the best one. So on my first one, I had the V2 or the V1, and it just wasn't enough of a flick. I think the V3 is like the biggest flick that they do, and in my opinion, the best one. So let's clean it up, let's put it on. Bob's your uncle. It is also worth to note, I have gone for the gloss black one, because I'm not a fan of carbon, especially fake carbon. So gloss black I think is the best way, and it should work well with the white car, should. So we've masked up where it's meant to go. It's about as central as I'm willing to do it. We've cleaned it, you can tell the difference. Look what I just found as well. The car's been Tipp-Exed at some point, which is nice. This will hide it, but it's a two-man job, so I'm gonna hold it down while my dad peels it off. Hopefully it goes well. It probably won't. Then they recommend to put on some heat, so we'll do that just to make sure it's like properly on, because the last thing I want is just coming off on the motorway. Right, so it is on. You can kind of see it from here. Well, not kind of, it's pretty obvious. I do like how it looks. Obviously it needs the wing risers as well, 100%, but I think that looks okay. Controversial maybe. I've never been a massive fan of the Maxton stuff, but this just seems to tickle my fancy. I like that, I do like it. Let me know your thoughts, obviously. Hopefully you've enjoyed the little install. Like and subscribe, comment your thoughts, as I've just said like 100 times, and hopefully I'll see you again. Cheers.